Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creations. I'm Latoya, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use our water bottle labels Canva template. This was a requested template. In my previous video I showed you how you could easily create your own template using Canva, making water bottle labels, but you all have requested for me to make a pre-made template, so that's what I did. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use that template. If you're interested in the template, you can find the links in the description box down below. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so once you click on the links within the PDF file, it's going to take you directly to Canva, where the templates have already been set up for you. To get started, you want to select Use Template. You're going to notice that you have two options. The first option is to create a single label, which I find to be the easier option, creating a single label and then saving that label and adding additional labels to a full-size sheet of paper, because you're able to get a better view of the labels. Or you can use the full-size page where all four of the labels are set up for you. It's just harder to see because it's smaller. You can design one label and duplicate it and add the additional 3 labels, or you can design 4 different labels. But I find designing the single label to be a better option because you get a better view. The label is a lot bigger than the 4-page labels. So in this video I'm going to design a single label, save it, and then add it to my page. Alright, so after your label uploads, this is what you're going to see. This is your template. This area is the front of your water bottle label. So whatever you want to appear in the front, you can put it here, and it must stay within this box. These are your two sides. I have already added a barcode here and a nutritional facts label for you. I have added some text to help you get started, where you can put your information. You can easily delete this by double clicking and typing in your own information. If you don't need this text, you can click on it and go up to the delete button up here. Now the template is in different sections. You can click on each of the sections to change the color by clicking the color tab at the top. Or you can add, if you had a picture background that you wanted to use, you can add your photo and resize it to fit this area. You can go up over here to the upload tab and upload all of your clip arts that you want to use. If you wanted to add text, you can go right here to the text tab. Select any of these. You can go up here to the font tab, and you can select a different font. Now Canva is free, but Canva does have some paid features. If you don't have the pro feature and you don't want to pay any additional fees, when you're looking through the fonts, just make sure that you're selecting a font that doesn't have this little crown on side of it. If it has that crown, it's a Canva Pro feature, and it will, if you use it without having the Pro subscription of Canva, it will charge you money when you go to try to save this. So to avoid having to pay anything, just make sure the fonts that you use are without the crown on the side of it. Okay, so from here we can upload our clip arts, and we can start making our design and saving it, and then adding our label to a full-size sheet of paper to get ready to print it. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I have gone ahead and uploaded my clip arts that I want to use for this design. Mine may look a bit different from yours because I'm using the Pro version and I can save my clip arts in different folders. But if you don't have the Pro edition, you can find all of your clip arts that you uploaded under the Upload tab. Now from here, I'm just going to start designing. Also, another cool feature for Canva Pro is that you can delete the background out of photos. So say for instance, you found a photo on Google, but it wasn't transparent. Here on Canva, you can delete the background. So select your photo, edit, you will go to Effects, and you will click Background Removal. All right, and you see it removed that background for you. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, I would suggest when you're looking for your images to try to look for a PNG file that's already has a transparent background, or you can use website like remove.bg to remove the background for you.
Dynamite drop.
Okay, so after you finish your design on the single label, you can actually click on the additional link that takes you to the full size sheet of paper setup. On the second page, you will find that there's a blank sheet, and this sheet is for you to add your labels to. So select Use Template. Scroll down to the second page. Go over to your Upload tab and upload your water bottle label that you just created. Alright, so after your label uploads, you may have to resize it. You don't want to change the height, you just want to change the width, and it should be 8.5. It should be 8.5 by 2. And you just want to start duplicating. You want to make sure you leave some space in between the labels. That way you can have room for cutting. And from here you can select the download tab Save it as a PDF file. Select the page that you want to download and select done. Okay, this is how your PDF looks once it uploads. Now with the water bottle labels, it's best to print these out on glossy waterproof sticker paper, especially if you're selling this to clients. You want to make sure it's waterproof just in case they were to submerge their water bottles down in ice, or if the labels got wet, you don't want the ink coming off. Now, if you're doing this for your own personal event and you know that you're not going to be putting the bottles down in ice, you could use just regular glossy photo paper and use some packing tape to cover the labels with to make them waterproof. But if you're selling these, I would definitely make it more professional and use the waterproof or weatherproof glossy photo paper. Now, when you go to print, when using photo paper, any kind of glossy paper, you have to make sure that your printer is on the correct setting. I have an HP printer that I use, and I have to go in and make sure that I select the paper type as photo paper, and I want the quality to be set at best. This will help prevent the ink from coming off. A lot of people have been having issue with using the photo paper and the ink is rubbing off. You have to make sure your printer settings are correct, and you shouldn't have any issues after that. Alright guys, I really hope you all found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. And today is Friday, and I have a Friday freebie for you all. If you head on over to my website, hangingwiththekiddos.com, under the free printables tab, you will find this week's freebie. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.